Yes, very good afternoon to all of you. Dear students, we have done all the three chapters related to PT1. Okay, chapter number 1, chapter number 2, and chapter number 6. Hope all the things are clear to you. Even then, if any query is there, so you can ask me. Okay, anytime you can tell me. Today, we are going to do one EVE topic related to PT1, that is things around us. It's very easy. Okay, you have done it in the second standard, first standard, okay, third standard also. So let's revise it. Write down the name of a few things in the chat box. What you see, which you see around you. The things which you see around you in your room, outside the room, in the school, okay, in your house, garden में कोई भी चीज जो आपको दिखती है, you can write. Yes, very good. You can write it. Yes, very good. Yes, you are writing. But out of these, जो चीजें आपने लिखी हैं, some are natural and some are man-made. Can you write the things which are natural? First of all, you should tell what do you mean by the natural things? Yes, what do you mean by the natural things? Natural things are the things which are not made by man. We find them in the nature. These are not man-made. We find the natural things in the nature. Clear? And name a few natural things. Very good. Yes, birds. Okay, plants, animals. Okay, so we can divide the natural things into two. They may be natural living things or they may be natural non-living things. Okay, some of the things we find in the nature which are living things, and some of the things we find in the nature which are non-living things. Now write down the example of natural living things in the chat box. Yes, very good. Yes, and still waiting the answers. You can write it in the chat box. Yes, good. All of you should participate. Some of the students, they don't write. Okay, be active. You have to write it in the chat box. Natural living things. Which things are there which we find in the nature? Yes, good. Okay, these are birds, plants, animals, and insects. Can you write something else also? Yes. You can write different types of animals also. Clear? Like some animals, they live in water. Some animals, we call them aquatic. Some animals, they live in the on land. Okay, some of the animals, they can live in water as well as in on land. Okay, in water as well as on land. We call them amphibians like frogs. Okay, so these are the different living things, okay, which we find in nature. Now name a few natural non-living things. Find, you have to write the name of natural non-living things. Very good. Yes, natural non-living things are, yes, write down name of the natural non-living things. Very good. Stones. Yes. Clouds, soil, sand, water, air. Okay, these are non-living things which we find in the nature, which we find in the nature. These are not man-made. Okay. So now come to the man-made things. Okay. What do you mean by the man-made things? Write it in the chat box. Yes, very good. Man-made things, very good, means things which are made by the man. Man-made things are made by man. We do not find them in the nature. Materials used to make the man-made things may be obtained from nature, from living things, or it may be obtained from non-living things. Clear? Like, what do we obtain from living things? Like wood and rubber. Wood and rubber are obtained from living things. Now, Himank, unmute yourself, beta. Yes, Himank, beta, unmute. Write down the name of, speak out the name of some living, some things which are, some man-made things which are made from wood. And wood we obtain from plants. We obtain the wood from plants. Plants are living. So can you name a few man-made things which are made up of wood?
Ma'am, table,
Table, wooden table, yes.
bed,
Bed, very good.
door,
Very good. You are looking around you is good. Okay.
pencil,
Yes, pencil. These are obtained. These are made up of wood. And can you name some objects which are made up of rubber? And do you know where from we get the rubber? Rubber is
ma'am,
a
rubber tree.
rubber tree. Okay, so it is also obtained from living. Name a few things which are made up of rubber.
Ma'am, what?
Name a few things which are made up of rubber. Rubber की कोई
Eraser,
eraser. Yes.
clay,
Clay, not rubber. Clay is made up of.
tires,
Yes. रबर की और क्या चीज होती है? Tires of the vehicles, they are also made up of rubber. रबर के बने होते हैं ना? Yes. Now mute yourself. Yes, next. Karman. Unmute yourself. Now, which other material can be used to make man-made things? Can you guess some other materials which are made up of?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, एक तो हमने बात की है wood और rubber की. They are obtained from living. Can you guess? Can you name some other materials which are used to make man-made materials, man-made things?
Ma'am, table, chair, car.
Table, chair, car are the objects. वो किस चीज से बनते हैं? That is material. Here, like table is made up of wood. Wood is material. तो कौन सा मटेरियल और यूज हो सकता है टू मेक मैन मेड थिंग्स? एक तो वुड की हमने बात, रबर की है. अपने आसपास देखो सब चीजों को, कोई और चीज, कोई और मटेरियल की चीजें बनी हुई है आपके अराउंड?
मैम, डोर.
यस, डोर किस चीज का बना है?
मैम, वुड.
वुड. वुड तो हमने लिखा हुआ है. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट समथिंग एल्स. Yes, some of the things are obtained from non-living also, like plastic and metal. अब आप ढूंढ के बताओ मुझे आपके आसपास कोई चीज which is made up of plastic. Some objects which are made up of plastic. Yes, speak out, beta. And plastic is obtained from non-living things. Yes, made in the factories from chemicals. Yes.
Ma'am, mirror.
मिरर प्लास्टिक का, मिरर ग्लास का बना होता है, वो ग्लास के पीछे पेंट किया होता है. Okay, in the washroom, what do we have which is made up of plastic? आपका टब प्लास्टिक का होता है, मग प्लास्टिक का होता है नहीं? Yes. Can you name a few more things which are made up of plastic in the kitchen? Is something which is made up of plastic? Yes, Vinay, you can unmute. आप बेटा करमन, mute yourself. Good. Yes, Vinay, now you have to unmute. Vinay?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Can you name a few objects which are made up of plastic and you find around you?
Ma'am, chair.
Chair, very good. Okay, chair is there, plastic chairs are there, plastic tables are there. Sometimes we use the plastic utensils also. Otherwise, they are not good for our health. We should not
Ma'am,
use.
plastic toy cars.
Very good, plastic toy car. And can you name a few things which are made up of metals?
Metals. Ma'am, spoon.
Spoon is made up of metal. Very good.
Knife.
Knife, very good. Knife is made up of iron. So iron is metal. Okay, sometimes we have steel. Also steel भी metal से बनती है. Okay, ये alloy होती है. It is used by mixing different metals in proportion, fixed proportion. Yes. So what we have done, things around us, they may be natural, they may be man-made. Okay, natural may be living or they may be non-living. Clear? And जो man-made है, material used to make the man-made things, they can be obtained from living things or they can be obtained from non-living things also. Is it clear? Show me a thumbs up if it is clear. It's very easy. Okay? Done? Okay, now next is you have to look at this picture. You have to find out which materials you are looking at. They are living and which of these are non-living. Very good. Yes, Ishan, unmute yourself, beta. Ishan Preet. Yes, name the things which are a present
Yes, ma'am.
image. Now, can you tell any two things which are living? Living.
Ma'am, human and animals.
Animals तो मुझे कोई नहीं दिख रहा. I asked you to select from this picture. There are human beings, there are boys and girls, and one more. What is
Ma'am, trees.
tree is there? Very good. So plants and animals, human beings, they are the living. They are natural living things. And now you have to name a few non-living things which you are looking at in this picture. Yes, others can write in the chat box. Yes, good. You can see bottle is there. Okay. Then papers are there. These are non-living things. Clear? Yes. Next. Yes, Bhumi, unmute yourself, beta. Bhumi. Beta, are you able to unmute? No response.
Yes, ma'am.
Hanji beta, can you tell some characteristics of living? We have done ke there are living things, there are non-living things. Which things do we call living things? And why do we call them living? What are the special characteristics of these things? Why do we call them living beta? मैंने living क्यों कहते हैं? Yes, number one. They,
animals, humans.
these are the examples. आप characteristics और features बताओगे living things की. You have done in the earlier classes now, although we have not done in this class. But you know that why do we call these things living, plants, animals? उनको हम living क्यों कहते हैं शिवांश?
कि जो लिविंग थिंग्स है वो ऑक्सीजन लेते हैं.
Very good. They respire. Okay, they breathe.
उनको फूड चाहिए.
Very good. Okay, they need food to grow. Very good. Another point. Yes.
One place to another place.
Very good. They move from one place to another, like you move from one place to another. But plants, they do not move from one place to another. They remain at one place. Otherwise, they show the movements. Okay, the water they absorb from the soil, it moves. Okay, inside the body of plant, root se lekar, it is carried to the leaves also. Some of the plants like touch me not plant, when you touch it, it closes the leaves. So, like sunflower, it always moves towards the sun. So these are the movements which are shown by the plants. And non-living things, they do not show all these things. They do not show all these characteristics. They do not need food, but they prepare their food. Write down in the chat box which process is used to make the food. Which process is used by the plants to make the food? Yes, Tanya. Write it. Okay. Yes, Akshita, unmute. Give a few characteristics of non-living things. Akshita. Unmute, beta. Give a few characteristics of non-living things. Okay. No response?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, beta. हाँ जी बोलिए.
मैम कौन सा क्वेश्चन मैंने क्या था मैम?
आपने बोलना है characteristics of non-living things. These are not in the book. This is EVE topic. Yes. Non-living things do not move on their own. Okay. We need to move them. Okay. We have to move them. If we have to move them, then we have to put efforts. Yes. Second, non-living things, do they need food? They do not need food. Clear? Yes. And one more characteristics, do they breathe? सांस लेती हैं non-living things? No. Okay, they do not breathe also. They do not reproduce. Living things reproduce. They give birth to their babies. Some of the animals, they lay eggs and babies, they come out, they hatch out of the eggs. Clear? So, they grow, they develop, okay, they die, living things. But all these characters are not shown by the non-living things. Now, look at this. What is this? Okay, this is moon. Moon is also a natural thing. Is it luminous or non-luminous? And what do you mean by luminous? Ravdeep, unmute yourself, beta. Ravdeep. Yes, Aryan, unmute yourself, beta. Aryan. जी बेटा बोलिए. Moon is luminous or non-luminous, and what do you mean by luminous objects? Shining, very good. And जो luminous होते हैं, they have their own light, but moon shines. Is it having its own light or it shines due to the light of the sun? It shines due to sunlight. It does not have its own light, so it is non-luminous. So things may be luminous or it may be non-luminous. Now this is man-made luminous object. Okay, it shines, it gives us light, but it is not natural. It is man-made luminous object. So what we have done, the objects around us may be luminous, they may be non-luminous also. Clear? Luminous means they shine, they emit their own light. Non-luminous means they do not emit their own light. Now write down a few more examples of man-made luminous objects. One is in front of you. Write down another one. Yes, very good. Tube light. Yes, it is man-made. Candle is man-made luminous. And write down natural luminous objects. Some of the objects which are natural, we find them in nature, but we do not, we find them in
Excuse
nature.
me, ma'am.
Jeep.
Ma'am, some students are asking in the chat box about the chapter. Which chapter?
Ma'am, EVE topic. It's not chapter. Okay? इसमें बहुत easy सा एक दो questions आपको बेटा आते हैं. And this is the chapter related to the chapters which you have done in the earlier classes. आपने second में और third में किया. I've told you in the starting na, this is not here in your book. Otherwise, I had to ask you to open the book. So this is EVE topic and it's very easy. इसमें MCQs जहाँ options आएंगी, then you have to give the answer. It's not very difficult. These are the things you have done earlier. Okay? And some of the things we obtain from plants, like we obtain, you can write the products which we obtain from plants. These are in front of you: wood, tea, cotton, spices, fruits, vegetables, medicines, all we get from the plants. Now, this is all about this EVE topic. Okay, you need not to cram it. Whatever you will get in the exam, it will be very easy. You can do it very easily. Okay. Options will be there. You have to select only one correct option. इसमें कुछ भी नहीं होगा. Examples of non-living, living. What do you mean by living? Non-living, natural, man-made. Okay, like this. This is not very difficult. Now you have to do the revision of chapter number 1. That is food. Clear? So, today we will start the revision of chapter number 1. Now you can open your chapter number 1. If any queries there, so you can ask me, and you have to write, or you have to write in the chat box, or you have to write the answers in the chat box, or you can unmute if I name you. Only then you have to unmute. First is write 2 main sources of food. What are the 2 main sources of food? Yes, we obtain food either from plants or from animals. Very good. We have to write the sources of food. Number 1, plants. Number 2, animals. Can you write a few food items which we obtain from plants? Yes, very good. Yes. Plants से हम क्या obtain करते हैं? Fruits and vegetables. And from animals, we get egg, meat, milk, and different milk products. Okay. Now next, name the main nutrient groups of food. Now Garima, you have to unmute yourself. Garima. Yes, ma'am will allow you. हाँ जी बेटा बोलिए. Can you name the 3 nutrient groups of food? We have done. Unmute नहीं हो रहा. Okay. Yes. Then yes, Avni. Unmute yourself, beta. Avni, you have to write 3 nutrient groups. Main 3 nutrient groups. And what do you mean by nutrients? Avni, are you there? Who is by the name of Balbir Kaur? Unmute yourself. Ji beta, no response. Okay. Yes, some of the students are writing in the chat box. They are carbohydrates, fats, and protein. Or no, but this is not the correct answer. 3 main nutrient groups की मैं बात कर रही हूँ. These are the, although these are 5. Okay, these are the 5 main nutrients. Clear? आपको ग्रुपिंग करनी है इन सब की. How can you group them into 3? Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. They are 5. Okay, these are the different types of nutrients present in the food. How can you group them? This we have done. Yes, we can group them into number 1, energy giving food. Yes, number 2, bodybuilding food. Number 2, protective foods. जो आप लिख रहे थे बेटा, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals, they are the nutrients. And what do you mean by nutrients? Himanshu, unmute. Yes, Himanshu.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. What do you mean by nutrients? Nutrients.
Nutrients, fruits, vegetables, grapes.
They are the sources of nutrients. ये वो फूड आइटम्स हैं जिनसे हमें न्यूट्रिएंट्स मिलते हैं. What do you mean by nutrients, बेटा? Nutrients are the essential substances which are present in the food. They are required by our body. Clear? So these are nutrients, essential substances present in the food. And when you have to group the nutrients, then 3 groups are there: energy giving, बॉडी बिल्डिंग एंड प्रोटेक्टिव. इसमें आपने कंफ्यूज नहीं होना कि आपको पूछा जा रहा है न्यूट्रिएंट्स के नेम, तो आप उनकी ग्रुपिंग कर रहे हो जहां आप लिख रहे हो डिफरेंट सोर्सेज ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स. Clear? Now you have to tell me through the chat box which food nutrients are called energy giving food, energy giving nutrients. What do you mean by energy giving nutrients? And very good, Vinay, carbohydrates and fats also. Carbohydrates and fats. Niti, good answer. Carbohydrates and fats are the energy giving food because they give us energy. Okay, mom has sent one link. You can fill the attendance sidewise. So energy giving foods are the food items which give us carbohydrates and fats because they give us energy. Clear? And which nutrients are there? We call them bodybuilding nutrients. Or which food items are there which help us to make a body? Bodybuilding foods are, yes, they are proteins. Okay, proteins are called bodybuilding foods because they help to make the new cells and tissues which help to make our, which help in the growth. Okay, which help to improve, which help to recover, to repair the injuries, wounds. So जो भी material चाहिए, this will be provided, that will be provided by the proteins. So proteins are called bodybuilding food. And protective foods are vitamins and minerals because they protect us from various diseases. Is it clear now? Yes. Okay. अब आप, if you get the question, Dhruv, you will unmute yourself, beta. Dhruv. Yes, Dhruv, beta, unmute yourself. Hanji, beta. Now you have to name a few sources of carbohydrates and fats. Yes, Niti, unmute. Niti, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Ji, beta, name a few sources of carbohydrates and fats. Which are the main sources?
Ma'am, butter.
Yes, butter. Butter से हमें fat मिलती
Ma'am,
है. And
puris.
पूरीज. Okay, आपने दोनों फैट के
Ma'am.
सोर्सेस बताए हैं. Can you name a few food items from where we get the carbohydrates? Which are
Ma'am, bread.
bread, very good. Banana,
Ma'am, sugar.
sugar, potatoes, rice, etc. Okay, they are the sources of carbohydrates. Yes, Pavni, beta, unmute. Anji, beta, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Anji, beta, should we prefer carbohydrates or fats? If our work is sedentary, we are not very active, we don't do hard physical work, so out of carbohydrates and fats, which one
Ma'am,
should be preferred?
carbohydrates.
Carbohydrates. Okay, why do we prefer carbohydrates?
Ma'am, it is energy giving food and give us energy.
तो एनर्जी तो फैट्स भी देते हैं. Even they give us double energy than the carbohydrates if same amount is consumed. Fats तो ज्यादा एनर्जी देते हैं. So why should we prefer carbohydrates? Carbohydrates को क्यों prefer करना चाहिए? Because they are easy to digest. It's not easy to unlock energy from the fats. So carbohydrates are comparatively easy to digest. Okay, that's why we should prefer carbohydrates. We can go for fats if only when we have to do the hard physical work. Like if someone is farmer, okay, कोई farmer है, कोई रिक्शा पुल करता है, जिनका hard physical labor करते हैं, तो वो ले सकते हैं fats because उनकी consume हो जाती है energy. Okay, अगर हमारा work sedentary है, तो we should prefer the carbohydrates. Yes, next, proteins. Okay, name a few sources of protein, Sabrina. Unmute yourself. Sabrina, beta, unmute yourself. Why should we take proteins? What are the different uses of proteins? Name a few sources of proteins. No response. Ishan, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी सबरीना बोलिए बेटा. A few sources of proteins first. Name a few sources of proteins.